Right, so here we have the question of what do you do when you got water on one comparatively flat side of the ground, or you've made flat channel, and you want to get it across a bit of a valley, or an extended swale would probably be a better term. It's quite short, this one, it's only about half a k. Some of them are quite long. Well, what you do, you create a siphon. So you got the water comes down the channel, and the bit disappears, goes through a gate thing, disappears down a set of gurgly holes, which if you fell in there you're pretty much stuck when the water's flowing, because you go underground through some pipes and pop up over on the rise over there, and over on that rise it's basically the same level as what this is, and the same sort of construction, so it's just gravity fed.
There were 2 more sisters from that marriage, and Joan was the youngest, and in her memoirs recollects the joy of being allowed to look at her eldest sister at work on her architectural table in the family breakfast room at the house in Weima.
So they actually shared our house for a little while, Joan as a little baby, and Heather as a mature lady.
Well, as a young woman, a young unmarried woman, and it is interesting because it points to the difficulty for these, for her fellow women graduates, and indeed some of the men.
About halfway through, it'd be a long time holding your bloody breath.
So the fact that she was working at home, referring to an earlier by design program last November, when there was a very interesting discussion on the gap between the number of women graduates in architecture and the number of women practicing the profession. Well, we find the same thing, that we get a lot more graduates than we get women in practice.
Now we're spending outside of a house designed solely by Heather.
Yes. And in fact, if you imagine this is a single dwelling house, that was construction design.
Because she died early.
She died in 1953, and she was killed in a car accident, actually on her way to London, crossing Adelaide, not far from the school.
You're at the other side.
And the truck hit her car.
Eventually you'd pop out here somewhere.
She was killed instantly. She was quite young, at 50, so it was actually quite